Okay, so it's Saturday and I have a little bit more time. I wanted to explain what was going on with my XC60 to see if anybody had any ideas that could help me. So basically right now I have the charger on. I have it not on the trickle charge, but to the 6 amp setting. I just turned it on. I had it on the trickle charge all night. Just wanted to make sure I was getting the little bit more amperage there to try the car out. You can see my battery, my connections, everything there looks nice and clean, and I lubricated everything just to make sure I can run on my voltmeter just to see here. And I'm running 12.90, which isn't overly high. So that might be an issue. I'm going to run out and grab a battery and try. But when we get into the car, so I've got the car in, the car's in neutral right now. And all of my controls are in French, so but basically it's saying that the car is not in park right now, and it effectively is not in park. It's in neutral. And I've got the key fob is in here. I've got the start stop button, and I've got, dome lights are on, and we do have electrical power. So I'm going to go ahead and put the car in park. So the car's in park now. It's still saying that the car is not in park. When I press the brake lights do come on. And if I play around with the emergency brake, let's see here, so the emergency brake now is set. And it is removed. So let's go ahead and try to start the car. So I would go in and press the start stop button. And basically saying the hood's open, everything's lighting up. Right now it's saying the first was the the immobilizer. Now it's saying brake issue, and probably have, now it's saying airbags. There's the immobilizer, hood open, not on park. My brake lever actually seems to work properly. That was an issue a couple of guys mentioned. Now, right now it's stuck, so I can't put it in. Even if I press the brake right now, I've got the brake to the floor, brake lights are on, and I can't seem to, even if I depress the back here, can't pull on it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the little trick on the back here and just put the key. Just put the valet key there in the back, press down. I'm going to just put the phone down for a second. And then now I am able to move the shifter. Now there were some issues on XC90s where you couldn't move the where the little I guess detent here was broken down. So mine right now, if I push on it, it's locked. If I press on it, now I can move it. So it shows me that this detent here is working properly. So I don't think that is my issue. But again, even if I try neutral with the brake on, try to press the start button, nothing happens. I have my lights. If you look on the garage wall, so the light just came on. And if I press the button here, I'm pressing now, nothing's happening. But if I put my brakes on, then I do get, a little bit of response and stuff. If I try to pull my key, nothing here is happening. It's not jammed, like it moves, but it's locked in. I tried pulling with pliers. Nothing is happening on that. Like, I moved the vehicle a little bit, 6 inches front and back, and tried everything again, and nothing works. So I'm hoping somebody has ideas to give me a hand.